In Parshas Bereshit, we learn about the Yetzer Hara, the Pesach, Chatas, Rovetz, and Chazal tell us that the Yetzer Hara, that evil inclination, comes to a kid when he is just a baby, when he's born. Yetzer Hatov, the good inclination, only comes when the boy is 13. Says the Tzemach Tzadik in Brachos Nun Ches, the Gemara says, Oreach Tov Mahu Oimer, a good guest. What does a good guest say? Wow, everything that's here on the table, everything that Balabos did, it's all for me. That is a good guest. Who is the guest? Who is the landlord? Says the Tzemach Tzadik, if what we said is true, and Yetzer Hara comes as soon as the baby is born, he's the Balabos. He's been here for the last 13 years. Who's the guest? Yetzer Hatov. He only comes after 13 years. Yetzer Hatov comes after 13 years, and he sees all the Averos that the kid has been doing for the last 13 years. So he tells him, you have to do tshuva. And the boy does. And in Yuma Pei Rav Chazal tell us that tshuva is so great. It transforms the sins into good deeds, into merits. Says the Yetzer Hatov, wow. I guess everything that the Balabos has been doing in the last 13 years, he only did for me, because now I'm taking this whole sack of Averos, I'm turning them into Zruyos, and I'm taking them with me. That is a good guest. That is the great landlord. All that he did for me.